Only on 13 News Now, we have new information about a former Richneck Elementary School assistant principal, Ebony Parker.
We're learning Parker has hired an attorney in her case months after police say a 6-year-old boy shot his first grade teacher, Abby Zwerner, with his mother's handgun. Zwerner filed a lawsuit arguing Parker ignored vital warnings that the boy had a gun on him hours before the shooting. And Sparaco joins us in the studio with what we know.
Well, Janet David spoke briefly with Dr. Ebony Parker's attorney, Corrine Silverman, this morning, but she didn't have time for a recorded phone call. She confirmed she is representing Parker in her case surrounding Abby Zwerner's lawsuit. 4 months after police say a 6-year-old student brought his mother's handgun to Richneck Elementary School and shot his teacher, Abby Zwerner, former assistant principal Dr. Ebony Parker has remained silent on the incident. Now the former educator is joining the defense against Zwerner's $40 million lawsuit. Zwerner filed the lawsuit against Parker and other school administrators, saying multiple teachers warned Parker on at least 3 separate occasions the student may have had a gun on him hours before the shooting. The lawsuit goes on to say Parker told teachers the boy, quote, had little pockets, implying he couldn't hide a gun in his clothing. Zwerner's attorneys also claim an hour before the shooting, a school counselor asked the assistant principal to check the 6-year-old for a gun, a request which they said Parker dismissed. Parker's attorney, Corrine Silverman, confirmed to 13 News Now she is defending Dr. Parker in this lawsuit. She said because we've heard from Abby Zwerner's and the school board's attorneys, she wants more people to know Parker's side of the story. Since the shooting, Parker resigned from her position as assistant principal shortly before school board members voted to fire the superintendent. Right now, Newport News Commonwealth's attorney Howard Gwynn only charged the boy's mother in this case. However, he says more people could face charges depending on the results of a special grand jury investigation. And an attorney for Parker's colleague, former Richneck Elementary School principal Brianna Foster Newton, says no one told her client anything about the gun that day. Newton's attorneys said she plans to file a countersuit, but she has yet to file the paperwork in Newport News Circuit Court. I'm Ann Sparaco for 13 News Now.
Attorneys representing Newport News Public Schools administrators filed paperwork to dismiss Zwerner's lawsuit, saying her injuries are covered under workers' compensation. There are no court dates scheduled yet for the motions to dismiss the lawsuit.